Hello once again dudes, my name's Mil and welcome to our first PHP tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create your first PHP file. But before we even get going, I want to mention this. Uh, in order to test out PHP, we could type in some code here and try to run it. But PHP has to be kinda like, how can I explain this to you so you understand, compiled on a server. So what you'll need to do is to go ahead and watch my XMPP tutorials. They can be found on my playlist section, and click on them, and that will show you how to install it and stuff like that. So let's start it. So this is how your XMPP should look when you're ready. So I'm going to go ahead and save as, and we're going to find our XMPP folder where I installed it, of course. Did I install here? Yeah, here it is. And into a htdocs, save your PHP files. It's very important. And I'm going to create a folder called PHP in here, and I'm going to save it in here as email. And then remember extension that PHP. This is very important. If you don't remember it, it won't be a PHP file. You can also go ahead and find it here, PHP hypertext preprocessor. So go ahead and click save, and you'll see if you did it correctly, it will be called PHP hypertext preprocessor file. So let's go ahead and test if this works. So basically we can type in localhost, and this is what you do if you'll search for something, and then type in the folder name that was PHP, and then type in the name email.php. Alright, you can see at least it shows up. So something we did right. And remember, if we called it in a folder, you need to make a slash, and depending on how many folders, if you were like in a folder called episode 1, and then make a slash again. But this is what the folder is called. So there is a few things in PHP. Whenever you're making a script, there is opening tags and closing tags. So in between here, we type in PHP code, right? But these are the tags you call basic PHP tags, and they're quite good actually. But what I would recommend you is to use the not the basic PHP tags, but the full PHP tags. So type in PHP after, and here you have them, the full PHP tags. So basically that's it for this tutorial, guys, and we can just go ahead and save this and check it out. Nothing new, right? And by the way, if you look at the source code on PHP, you can't see it because PHP is hidden, so it won't show with the passwords and stuff like that. So it will only show HTML and CSS and JavaScript and stuff like that. But basically, that's it for this tutorial, guys. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.